Okay, so honestly, this is बंदा बंदे के ऊपर igloos. This is my board. So it snowed day before yesterday. The roads are amazing. Hey guys, what's up? A very good morning from Sethan, and I hope you guys are doing great. बड़े टाइम बाद vlog कर रहा हूँ. I was traveling but I wasn't able to vlog, and right now I'm at Sethan. So let me tell you about time हो गया. I guess it's been 1 year now since I last uploaded my vlog. So right now I'm at Sethan and life's good. सब बढ़िया चल रहा है. And today is my day 2 at Sethan. Yesterday I arrived at Sethan and today I'm going to go for snowboarding. And as it is said that Sethan is the winter wonderland, and indeed it is. Crazy man. Damn. Chalo, stay tuned. Let me show you how this village is. Okay, so मैं आपको बताते रहूँगा. You need to do a couple of preps before coming to Sethan. यहाँ पे माइनस है. And this is a property पीछे. That's the Woodland Chapley. And village छोटा है, but the peace and the view and the experience this place holds is just like मैं बता नहीं सकता. Crazy.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so let me tell you how to reach Sethan. Firstly, you need to take a bus to Manali, and Manali से there are a couple of options. हाँ, Sethan के लिए only 4x4 ही चलती है, and if required they use the snow chains also. The roads are like pretty not bad, I would say. Of course this is an offbeat place, so of course थोड़ा मुश्किल तो होगा. And so how did I come here? मैंने क्या करा था, थोड़ा R&D करके I found a good stay option here. That's the Woodland Chapley. मैंने उनसे बात कर रखी थी. So they did arrange a 4x4 which picked up us from Manali and सीधा सेतन आ गया.
A few moments later.
So guys, there's a bit change of plans. आज skiing competition हो रहा है at the top point of Sethan. So we are not going for snowboarding today. We are going tomorrow. आज ऐसे एक्सप्लोर करता है. Pretty good. दिखाता हूँ आपको how Sethan. तो अभी we are walking up. There's like a snow point. इन्होंने बोला the localites. देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या है. And then I will show you everything. Back I will come to the Sethan village and I will show you the igloos and rest all things. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
So we have reached the snow point. Okay, so technically नीचे if you can see activities हो रहा है. That is the snow point. But now we have climbed the snow covered mountains. बहुत ऊपर तक आ चुके हैं. सुकून है, पीस है. And I would say explore करो. नीचे जाओगे तो activities हो रही है, zip lining, tube slide and all of those stuff. But यहाँ पे damn the snow is fresh and powdery. तो content बनाते हैं and then let's go back down. So guys, technically this is the snow point. बंदा बंदे के ऊपर. You can see लोग यहाँ पे zip lining कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पे कोई skiing भी कर रहा है. And then expect Sethan would be too commercialized. Yeah, so commercialized. चलो नहीं चलता है. Let's go. चलो we are heading towards back towards the Sethan village. Let's go. So guys, this is how Sethan village looks like. If we are coming from the starting point of Hamta trek, so this is how we are entering the Sethan village. That's a stay. Crazy.
A few hours later.
So guys, now it's 5 in the evening and that's a property. Abhi let's go towards the Sethan market and let's hop into a cafe and thoda chill karte hain and let's see. So acha haan, another important thing is whenever we visiting Sethan, do hire a gumboots or do get one. मतलब इसके बिना चलना is very difficult, I would say. I have a trekking shoes but which I had to leave at the shop and get a gumboots क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत slippery है because of the black ice. So it's highly recommended to get a gumboots. Let's go. So while walking towards the Sethan village, I mean थोड़ा नीचे, you will find couple of pretty homestays, house. मतलब everything is so dreamy here. So the reason I told you to get the gumboots is this. आपको पूरी जगह ऐसे ही मिलेगा सेथन में, on the roads everywhere, especially if we are coming in winters. So it's better to get gumboots or else फिसलोगे on black ice. And honestly I felt like I was about to slip and honestly I fell. कल गिरा था मैंने, तो मैं गिर गया था. So I got this.
A few inches later.
Well guys, so one of the best parts of Sethan is the igloos. I think आज guest है, so I can't show you the igloos अंदर से. I will check tomorrow अगर कल दिखा सकता हूँ. So those are pretty 3 igloos and I will let you know all the details tomorrow. Stay tuned. So it snowed day before yesterday and this is how Lord Altar looks like now. Damn. See the fresh snow. Oh, it's deep. Yeah, this is deep. And this is the Cafe 99. We had an amazing pizza yesterday here. और अभी Italian Pizza Hut पे चलते हैं, वहाँ पे है. So let's see. Let's go. Okay, so honestly this is damn dreamy. नहीं है बातें कहीं, समोड़ पर हम मिले हैं. चलते हैं ऊपर. Let's have a pizza and then chill.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, so I am now in the Italian Pizza Hut and basically this is a mud house and damn the vibe and the ambience is crazy. So I have ordered chicken pizza. Let's see.
A few moments later.
So guys, we just had the pizza and that was amazing and we're just chilling now. And for those of you who doesn't know how the heaters work in mountains, these are local heater, I would say. So it has, sorry, tandoor. So it's the
second name is Bukhari.
okay.
You put like this much.
Okay.
8:01 p.m.
So guys, after having like amazing chill chess at Italian Pizza Hut, now we are heading back towards our room. Damn, it's too cold here. The minus man and doggy are like the huskies are barking. I don't know why. But यहाँ पे I think अभी -10 होगा. Chalo guys, so let's gear up for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna do the snowboarding. Chalo, let's catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.
The next morning.
Hey guys, what's up? A very good morning from Sethan, and today is our day 3 at Sethan. And as I told yesterday, today is the day. आज आ रहे हैं snowboarding करना. It's a lovely day. बढ़िया है आज. चलते हैं, gear up होता है. And let's catch up. It's quite late, so we need to hurry up. That's our skateboards, sorry, snowboards. Let's go. So guys, all geared up and now we are heading towards the starting point of the Hamta trek, Hamta Pass trek, and this is the way. Once I reach there I will show you everything. Let's go. The roads are amazing. That's the reservoir.
A few hours later.
So guys, we have reached now the top from where we are going to start the boarding, but to a mid point और थोड़ा ऊपर है. This is my board. आज की सवारी. Damn. Crazy. क्या एक्सपीरियंस है यार. आई वुड से आते हुए थोड़ा फिट हो गया हो यार. टफ है थोड़ा. वी आर पीपल फ्रॉम प्लेन्स, so we are not used to walk on snow, so थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, बट इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. इफ़ यू हैव विल पावर कुछ भी कर सकते हो. चलते हैं फिर पीछे. वी हैव इंस्ट्रक्टर तंजिन टुडे, लाइक who will teach us how to snowboard. Let's go.
346 minutes later.
So guys, we have reached the slope and these are equipments all geared up and we will be starting soon. And he is Tanzin bhai, meeting.
Hello.
He's a professional snowboarder and it's fun man. Let's start.
मुझे खुद से जोड़ दे तो मेरे यार बात बन जानी. शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का मैं शरबतों का.
3 hours later.
So guys, back to the base after having an amazing snowboarding session. So we were at the top and पीछे देख रहे हो वहाँ से the Hamta fast trek starts. And then for the snowboarding part, I would say it was an amazing experience. And थोड़ा fit हो के आओ. It's not that easy. I found the toughest part to stand up on the snowboard. बाकी videos I will put in this video. मैंने थोड़े बहुत slide करे हैं. बाकी it was good. ऐसा कुछ crazy था यार. crazy मतलब it's a lifetime experience I would say. मज़ा आ गया. चलो अभी बैक टू सेथन चलते हैं. पिज़्ज़ा खाने की तलब आ रही है. लेट्स हैव अ पिज़्ज़ा एंड देन गो बैक टू मनाली. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
Eventually.
सो गाइस, बैक टू अ प्रॉपर्टी. गेट अप. सब कुछ चेंज कर लिया हम लोग ने. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इटालियन पिज़्ज़ा हट, द प्लेस विच वी वेंट yesterday in the evening, and we'll have an amazing pizza and then head back towards Manali. And I would say the same thing, the experience of snowboarding was to a next level. Crazy है मतलब, damn amazing. बहुत थकान हो रही है honestly. That's a pretty stay. Sad part. And if you're coming to Sethan, do definitely visit this auntie. She's really amazing. The name of the shop is Sethan View. And he has a cute kid also, who's Akshay. He's really adventurous. And he's Tenzing bhai. Do visit for sure. मजा आएगा आपको.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are back at this amazing pizza place. And let's have a pizza and then head back towards the place. So guys, this is the chicken pizza by the Italian Pizza Hut. So guys, we had an amazing pizza here at this Italian Pizza Hut. Now we are heading back down. तो सीधा चलते हैं, मनाली में मिलते हैं. थोड़ा लेट चल रहा है. Let's go. Goodbye Sethan. These are the igloos. Goodbye igloos.
A few hours later.
So guys, finally the time has arrived. We are back at Manali and now we will be heading back towards Delhi. And if you can see, I'm traveling with Zinbus. So the people who know me, like I have been a part of Zinbus since 1 year now. So of course I will be traveling in Zinbus. And it's pretty good. आप भी कर सकते हो. So next trip soon, बहुत जल्दी करते हैं. Till then, stay safe, take care.